Hi, everybody. Once again, my name is Yaniv. I'm with Halo. Not surprisingly, you can see it up there on the slide. For those of you who don't know Halo that well, as Dino said, we are a semiconductor company based in Tel Aviv, in Israel, specializing in developing and building AI chips. And we used to say AI accelerator chips, but you'll see in a second why this has gone beyond that now. So some of you may be familiar with our Hailo-15 AI accelerator chip that has been around for a couple of years, has been field proven across hundreds of customers, across different verticals and different markets. But today's talk is going to focus a little bit more on our newly just announced product. We just announced a couple of months ago, the Hailo-15, which is a complete SoC VPU, AI-centric VPU or visual processing unit. And before we dive into that, I want to talk a little bit about why smart cameras, why is this where we see ourselves and the industry going into and why it's important. So it's no secret that the smart camera market is booming and growing very rapidly. In fact, ABI are projecting around 200 million new cameras to be deployed between now and 2027, with enormous total revenue number that definitely makes this space a very appealing space to many companies. This doesn't come in a vacuum. This comes as the demand for AI is really increasing at the edge and specifically in cameras. What drives this demand is the need to perform more complex tasks, more multitasking across different types of AI and analytics in a more complex situations, and typically coupled getting more and more coupled with very high resolution video streams that enable some of that new analytics. This is also part of a broader dynamic or a broader trend where AI is moving from the cloud to the edge. We're seeing many more edge deployments than we have seen before. This is driven by many vectors, but two of them that are worth mentioning. One is really the creation of huge amounts of data that needs to be analyzed as close as possible to where that data is being gathered or generated, and as close to real time as possible, but also allowing better flexibility and more optimization of the overall system cost, especially in terms of where the data is being stored, compute, and eventually transferred or not transferred back to the cloud.